Hello everybody, Kabir this side, and today we are going to talk about discover your SAP certification pathway with the SAP Certification Finder. So, as in my last video I talked about the new SAP certified approach that is your stay SAP certified, right? And you know that staying ahead means continuously evolving your skills. So this SAP Certification Finder is kind of a personalized gateway to you in which will help you to achieve this. It is easily accessible at sap.com/certification finder, and this intuitive tool will really empower you to explore the different certifications that SAP offers. The best part is it helps you to understand which one has already lapsed, if you had a certification which one is not valid anymore, and what is the alternative certification that you need to take as the older one is null and void. So you can easily explore the certifications as you can navigate through a comprehensive list of certifications tailored to the various role skill levels and the solution areas. So definitely you can easily find your fit here and you can stay current. So how to use this tool, let me quickly show you. You can access the tool via this link as I already showed you. You should come here and example, let's talk about the favorite generative AI certification. The fuzzy search is clearly enabled. You can select here, and once you select based on your input here, you will get your recommendation. So if you see, this is the portfolio, this is the certification code, and whether it's a part of the stay certified approach or not, you will be easily able to understand from here. So if you scroll down a bit, yes, if you see, it's a part of the stay certified assessment, and you have to prepare for the assessment, then give the exam, and you have to ensure that you have to keep it stay certified post 1 year to keep your digital badge active and your certification valid. Now let me take in another example, like the famous ABAP certifications, because there were multiple ABAP certifications, right? So for the people who would have given one of these older certifications, if you see like the very older one, ABAP with SAP NetWeaver, if I click on this one, if you see, this was the certification code, and here it clearly says that it will expire by March 31, 2025. That means if anybody had this certification that is already expired, and it recommends you to take an alternative certification, which is the alternative SC_ABAP-D certification. And if you click here, it will take you to the details about the alternative certification, that is your SAP Certified Associate Backend Developer ABAP Cloud. Similarly, I'll go back. I'll close this. Maybe if I write ABAP, because it was showing other list of certifications as well, I'll take the older one, that is ABAP for SAP HANA, which we used to take once ABAP was introduced for SAP HANA as a part of the code pushdown. And if you see the same, it's also a kind of a retired certification. Yes, it's retired. So all these ABAP certifications that you see are all retired, and you only have one alternative certification, I think, which is your SAP Certified Associate Backend Developer ABAP Cloud. So if I click on this one, this is no more retired. This is a part of your stay certified SAP assessments. And if I go here, I'll click on ABAP again just to cross check. So I'll just show you the other one. This is the one that I've not seen till now. So I'll just check this part. Yes, this is also retired. So if anyone holds a part of all these certifications under the ABAP stack, whether you are holding ABAP with SAP NetWeaver, or whether you're holding programming in SAP S4HANA for SAP ABAP, or whether you're holding ABAP for SAP HANA, all are retired and null and void, and all will point to the alternative certification, that is your SAP Certified Associate Backend Developer ABAP Cloud. So this tool is like really very helpful. Similarly for Fiori, if I go to the UI stack, so if you see here for Fiori, it will show you these are the different certifications, whether you are an application developer or from a system admin or implementation and configuration. So if I talk about the Fiori application developer, this is also a part of the new SAP Stay Certified approach. And as I already talked about in my last video, all the new certifications are a part of the SAP Stay Certified approach, valid only for a year, and post 1 year before its due date, you need to go through this self-assessment course, and you need to take the assessment and revalidate your certification before it lapses. Similarly, if you see, this was earlier known as C Fiori Dev, and the new certification is C Fiori D. So this tool is really helpful in helping you to understand what are the different certifications, which certifications are retired, what is the alternative certification that will give you the recommendations, what are the different certifications that are applicable there. So you can easily review the details and plan your learning, and this way you can definitely empower your career. So this SAP Certification Finder is more than just a search tool. As you saw, it's really kind of a strategic partner in your professional development. So by identifying the right certifications and by identifying the retired certifications, you can actually plan and position yourself as a valuable asset in the SAP ecosystem. Thank you.